Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling what you need. Place all photos in one folder and name them in order so you can import without hunting. Open PowerPoint, pick a template or a blank presentation, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 unless you have a specific output. Once done, insert a new slide and choose a photo layout. You want consistent resolution. Make sure images are at least 72 dpi for screen or 300 dpi for print to avoid blurriness. You now bring photos into the slide and shape them efficiently. Use Insert Pictures or the Photo Album tool to add many images at once. Once placed, crop using preset aspect ratios to maintain consistent framing, and use alignment guides to distribute spacing evenly across slides. For color and exposure, apply format picture corrections and filters so edits remain reversible. Make sure to group items when positioning repeated layouts. That way, moving one set keeps spacing intact. You finish by adding captions, alt text for accessibility, and consistent typography to tie the slides together. Review slide order, check image bleed and margins, then export using File Export. Choose PDF for documents or MP4 if you want a video with timings. Make sure to embed fonts or use system fonts to avoid substitution. If an image goes missing later, relink it via File Info Edit links to files. This quickly restores high-resolution originals without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.